Hi there. In this video, I'll be showing you an update in relation to our brand new import tool, which has made getting started with Engager easier than ever. So let's get started. Firstly, we'll navigate to Settings and select Import Clients on the left menu. You'll see a few important things to note here. Now, I would highly recommend reading through each of these step by step. You can even import all of your custom fields, any services you created, and any drop-down options within fields. So if you are setting up for the first time, we would highly recommend going through setting up all of the custom fields that you would like in your system, any custom services you would like, and then import afterwards. Now, once you're happy with that and you understand how this works, you can click Generate Import Form, and this will show you a page where you can see all of the individual entity types that you can import. This then gives you the option to include or exclude each entity type. If we went for limited companies and individuals or sole traders for limited companies, we can select the fields that we would like to import. So we could say, yep, we want all of the client info fields, and we also want to import all of the custom fields. For individual and sole trader, we could say we want to keep the bare minimum, so I'm only going to select the 3 mandatory fields, which are a name, a last name, and an email address. Once done, I'll click Generate. That will then create a spreadsheet for me, which I can then review. And then in this spreadsheet, you'll see the fields that are mandatory, highlighted in red, and all of the other fields in black are optional. Now, within each of these fields, if they have a drop-down value, you'll also be able to select from a value that is stored within Engager. So as you scroll to the right, you'll see directors. We can select AH as a director and PM as the manager, and then we've also got our trading address. Then we get into all of our custom fields here, for example, annual revenue. So what we've tried to do here is make it really easy to import your information and stick to all of the validations within the system so that you're importing data that actually exists. And then at the bottom here, you'll notice I've got another tab. So for each entity type, we store them on a different tab, so you can then have your individual or sole trader within the same sheet as well. So if I close the spreadsheet and go back to Engager, at this point you can select the file that you would like to upload, and then that will take you through the process of validating it. Mine will most likely result in an error, but you will then be able to validate that data and then save it. At that point, it will create all of the records with an Engager for you. I hope this helps. If you do have any questions or queries, feel free to email us using contact@Engager.app or visit help.Engager.app, where you can access a whole range of support articles and videos.